So hey guys, welcome back to this brand video of Tech Hackers, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the coolest tips that I know and how can you earn money more from using AdSense. If you are using a YouTube channel or running a website and you are running AdSense ads on it, so here is the tips or the trick or how to do the thing that you guys need to do for earning more money in AdSense. Before that, I request you guys to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you'll be notified after I upload a new video. And moving on to the topic, what you guys need to do is go to the link given in description or check out my blog, that is asubo.com. Or if you wanna go fast, then you can simply go to the link given in description, and if you are a future viewer, it will be helpful for you because you may not find on my blog. So after saying that, what you guys have to do is open a new tab and open adsense.com. After you open adsense.com, you can simply log in to your account. I cannot show my earnings, so I am just moving on to the allowed and block settings. So after you guys go to allowed and block setting, then move on to asubo.com or the link that is given in the description and simply copy one side. I'll just copy this happybirthday.com or something like that, and let me show you how it's done. After you go to allowed and block setting, you can go to content. After you go to content, you can select all my sites, and just you will see the block URL list. I have blocked a lot of URLs so that my CPC will increase and the earning will also be increased. So after that, what you guys have to do is just the thing that you have copied from my site or the URL that you copied from my site should be pasted on that small box, and you must click the block URL section, and you must block all the URL that is given on my site. You can use comma after every URL if you wanna keep or do a lot of URL at a time. And after doing that, what you guys have to do is just check the URL again by the site source bar kind of things present in the same page. And after you search or after you complete the search thing, your site or the ads of the given site or the happy birthday site's ad will not be run on your any site or not be run on your YouTube and will not be displayed on your website. What this does is the happy birthday site gives a low money for the Google to show ads on your website, and after you block this ad on your website, then the chance of ads that give high CPC will be shown on your website, which will automatically increase your income and also increase your CPC rate. And after the CPC rate will increase, your income will be increased, which is a great thing for you all. And if you guys want to know more about CPC, then you can contact me or chat me with me live at asubo.com with the small messenger icon on the right side bottom, or also follow me on Facebook and other social medias and you can simply chat with me. So all the link will be in description, go guys check it out. And if you enjoy the video, please be sure to share it and subscribe my channel.